Hey, thanks for being a part of my learning experience. It's day 3 on the STEMpedia's AI, Python, and Robotics Bootcamp. Now, the activity for today is a face emotion detector. And here I have the code for this particular activity. Now, here I have the sprite, Toby, my guy here, and here is the face detection extension. And on this next part of the code, I have the function to turn on the camera because I'll be using the camera, to obtain the face to be detected. And also, and this next line is to enable the bounding box. That is the fd.enable box. Now that the bounding box is what I have here. You can see it on the stage, the yellow boundary. It's the box that is used to identify and localize the face in an image or video. Then the next is to set the threshold, which is like setting the confidence level of the computer. The range of threshold is between 0.1 to 0.9. So I have my threshold here at 0.4. Now the last part of the code is to detect the face. We use the while loop and make it a forever loop using the true as our condition, and that is the while loop, and followed by the FD analyze camera. If there's a face or more, if there is one or more faces in front of the camera, the sprite is programmed to say the expression on the face. But if there is no face in front of the camera, sprite is programmed to say no face detected. So you notice here. So I'll just go ahead and run the code so that you see how this works. So I'm launching the camera. Okay. So it's saying, Toby is saying it's neutral face right now. There's a neutral face. So let me give a happy face. Happy. I'm happy. Now let me try another expression. Sad. Now that's hard. Sad. Okay, how about surprised? Yeah, Toby saying surprised. And angry? All right, that's very interesting. So that's the face emotion detector. The face emotion detector. I'm happy. I'm happy because I am learning how to code on the STEMpedia's bootcamp. So thank you once again for joining me on this day 3 activity video. See you guys on day 4's video. I'm happy.